Thanks for joining me, everyone. This is Sandra, and I'm going to be doing a reverse dip flowers. I'm on a total flower kick right now, so it seems like I keep doing flowers, but the more you do, the better you get at it. So I'm going to be doing deep turquoise, the metallic sapphire, deep sapphire, and some evergreen, as well as some of my dark green, a little bit of yellow, and some burnt umber. I'm not 100% sure on yet, but we'll see. We'll see if I do that or not. And what I'm going to do is I've got the white acrylic already to go on my 10 by 10 canvas. I'm going to give it a little quick torch, get some of the bubbles out, and give this flower a try. These ones I'm going to do more of a puddle instead of drawing petals and stuff like that. It's going to be puddles, smaller ones. We'll see if that works, because it is a smaller canvas, so I want to have a flower with a couple of small ones is my vision. We'll see if it works out. So first I'm going to start with my dark green. And this part isn't going to be a puddle because I want it to be more like a vine kind of, hopefully. We'll see. I'm not sure what it's going to look like. It'll be test for all of us. Okay, put that one aside for a minute. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow in there. Probably every second dot or so I'm going to put some yellow in. I don't want a lot of yellow, I just want some. That should be good. And I am going to do some burnt umber. I think I'm going to just do some dots in between this green. Maybe one extra one right there and here. It'll be interesting to see. So it is kind of like puddles I'm doing. Before I do anything else, I'm just going to take my paint knife and I'm just going to go right down the center-ish. I don't know if that will help the effect or not, but we'll see. Okay. So now I'm going to start with my metallic deep sapphire. My first puddle is going to go right here. Maybe a tiny bit more. And then I think I'm going to do one right here. Smaller one right here. 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 Maybe one up here too. Okay, and my deep turquoise. I'm gonna go here. Not in the center of the dot, off to the side a little bit, because I want the blue to be showing up quite a bit. There we go. And my evergreen. I think I'm just going to do a couple of dots. Around my puddles. I sure hope this works to my vision. I ordered myself something very cool on Amazon. It is a battery operated airbrush, and I'm going to attempt in the coming week or so some airbrush. I have no idea what I'm doing with it, but for sure I'll share the video. I got no problem doing that. Now I'm going to put a little bit of white in the green just to tone it down a bit into the evergreen. I know there's white already on the canvas, but I'm just going with what my gut says to do. And hopefully that's enough paint to go on both canvases. I've done a couple of previous dips where I had to re-dip, and I think one of them I even had to add extra paint to have enough. Well, we'll see what happens. This could be a complete mess, or it could be a beauty. So I'm going to put this 10 by 10 that's got the white acrylic on it already right over top. And I'm going to press down harder than I usually would, because I've learned from my other ones that you really have to apply the pressure to get the paint distributed as evenly as you can. Okay, I've applied lots of pressure. I'm pretty sure I put enough paint on there. So let's hold our breath and lift her up. See what we got. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, do I have enough paint? You know what? I think I need to dip her again. Apply a little bit more pressure. You can call me crazy, but I'm going to flip my canvas. Maybe that'll help share the paint. There's my chance to wipe that off a little bit there. Okay, I am going to pull it apart and hope for the best. Ooh. Okay, let's give that one a torch. And this one, I'm going to go this way. Grab some paper towel. That looks really cool. Okay, let's see how it looks. All these bubbles happening. Lots of cells happening, that's nice. I'm just trying to figure out which way would be up for this guy. Yeah, it's definitely this way. He's got a little bit of paint pooled. It's gonna tilt him a little bit. Get some of that paint moving. See how this one is. This one's pretty good. Very little movement in it. Okay, let's give it one more torch. I love to watch it as it settles and gets the bubbles The cells going. It just looks so cool. This one almost looks like it's berries in the center there. I'll lift that one because it's not going to drip paint everywhere. Beautiful. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone.